I will show you how to export 4K maximum quality in InShot app. Let me show you how. So you can see this particular clip right here. I will simply show you on how you can export 4K quality video. For that, what you want to do when you are done with your editing tab, go ahead and click on export tab right here. From the top here, click on export tab, and then you have different options right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the resolution right here. So when you click on resolution right here, you have different options. You have 2K, you have 4K. So go ahead and select 4K. So if you have click on here and you click on this plus sign right here, this allows you to add a custom resolution. However, I'm going to work on the 4K project right here. So I'm going to simply click on 4K. Now here we go. Then here you can select your frame rate. Click on frame rate right here. You can either export 30 frame rate per second or 60 frame rate per second. Then go ahead and select your video format so you can be sure that you are in a MP4 format. But one thing here is that you notice that when we select 4K, the size of the video file drastically increase. This is because it is in a higher resolution. So if I click on the resolution right here again and I decide to reduce the quality of the video to about 720, you find out that we have a very low file size. So if I come back right here, I switch back to 4K resolution, then it's take back to 93.1 megabyte. The higher the resolution, the higher the file size. Lastly, go ahead and hit on export right here, and your video will be successfully exported as 4K higher resolution without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use InShot app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.